Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another video. Okay, so today I am back with another reaction. Before we waste any time, let's get right to it. Dzina langa ndi TT, dzina langu Selimadziwa, ndina TT ndimachogera ku Botswana koma ndimankhala kuno kudziko lako America. See, I'm trying to spice things up. How are you guys doing? If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I'm trying new technology here, so bear with me. I think okay, there we go. Wow, this is bad. I'm now integrated in that thing. There we go. Still. Okay, let's pause that. Okay, that should work. Let's get to it. Namadingo, and the name of the song is Yeah Yeah. Glasgow. Wow, this guy.
Namadingo. Oh, oh, oh. Mulungu, yeah. Apa dzina langa lamveka kutali, komwe masombenya anga sadaone. Ndaja ndinso kumwerera ndi mafumu, ndipo anda mwali okongola andifuna. Koma kumwamba buku la moyo, dzina langalo kodi adalemba mo. Koma kumwambako atate, soona akanene sandidziwa atate. Mundi lengere mtima watsopano, sanyengeke ndi ntchito za dzikoli. Ine mundi lengere maso atsopano, kuti ndidziona zomwe mukufuna ndione.
So basically no, I'm kidding. I think I have a lot to refresh on, but I think he's talking about God obviously, and he's saying, you know, like wash my eyes or like open my eyes so I can see what I have to see, and my ears, I don't know, I'm making that up, but thank you. Let me know in the comment section, am I right or am I right?
Mapezeka musambiri mdzikoli, ndipo zofunika koma zotera pansi pompano. Maina atu alipo pantokhala ndi magalimoto, nyumba ndi maphunziro, mabanja ndi ana. Koma kumwamba buku la moyo, maina atu kodi alimo. Chonde ndirembeni ine amdandanda, ukalo amkomola kumwamba. Mundi lengere mtima watsopano, disatengeke ndi ntchito za dzikoli.
It's a beautiful video, and I think it's pretty recent, last year December maybe, and it's green over there. Yo, it's beautiful. I mean, I was gonna just comment here because this is Namadingo. Obviously, this music he's making, it just seems so effortless, and I feel like he can make any kind of music, and I'll still be like, yeah, that was the best. But yeah, it's oh my goodness, so beautiful. Let's see.
Mundi lengere maso atsopano, ndidziona chomwe mukufuna ndione.
Production on this is crazy. don't know who Namadingo is, good. You will know. I have to move that. Oops, that's the wrong thing. Yeah, new stuff. Anyway, that is that. I am basically going to react to more songs about new songs that I have not seen in Malawi. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this. Obviously, please go watch Namadingo's YouTube page if you do not know this guy over here. Then then you are missing out. Okay, like one of the best musicians in Africa, one of the best musicians coming from Malawi, and I think he's also doubling down with Zambia as well. So he's kind of, both sides. But yeah, I'm just looking at songs that I have not reacted yet. But some of the songs I have reacted or I have seen. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. If you are watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side. I'm coming back with another Malawian hit. Okay, so sit back, relax.